Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. Today we're doing a quick energy boost workout. These are 2-minute morning exercises that you can do if you wake up tired, you feel like you have brain fog, fatigue. This will wake you right up. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be furious. It's gonna be fun. So let's get right to it. All right, so we're gonna be doing 4 exercises, 30 seconds each, which equals to 2 minutes. So we're gonna get right into it. No prep, no warm up. This is gonna be all encompassing, so let's have some fun. We're starting with jumping jacks or step jacks, step outs, whatever you feel comfortable with. We're putting 30 seconds on the clock and let's get moving our bodies. Here we go. Or if you need to, you could do step outs like this. Becomes a dance routine. Oof, I feel good already. Moving on to that second exercise. All right, we have standing side bends. Here we go, 30 seconds on, feet shoulder width apart, and here we go. You can either reach down, like so, really focus on stretching your obliques. Give your hands up. You can tilt to the side, reach for the sky. Or you can have hands on your shoulders. Hands on your shoulders, hands on your hips. There you go. Got a couple more seconds. Really reach down. 3, 2, and 1. So good, so good. All right, we're gonna pick up the pace once again with some high knees. If you don't feel comfortable leaving the ground or jumping, just turn it into marches. But if not, let's have some fun. We got high knees, 30 seconds, and here we go. Like I said, you can do high knees, march with it. Come on, we're almost there. 3, and 1. All right, I hope you're feeling warmed up. I am. Last exercise, we have squats. Air squats, you can go as deep as you can or as shallow as you want. It's up to you. The goal is just to move the body. Remember that this is energy. We wanna really get our heart rate going, wanna feel good, loosen up our muscles. Here we go, 30 seconds on, and here we go. Waking up the knees, waking up the glutes, waking up the thighs, your hamstrings, your quads, everything. Make sure you're breathing. There it is. Come on. We're getting there. Here you go. 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Great job. Give yourself one of these and one of these. That was it. That was a quick energy booster for you. That's 2 minutes. You could do even more sets whenever you want. And like, I usually do this whenever I'm like midday slump, if I'm feeling low energy. I just go outside, do some jumping jacks, high knees, all this stuff. And I always come back feeling refreshed, feeling ready to tackle the rest of the day. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, please like this video, share with your friends. I'm out of breath just doing that. See how it's got me going. But click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm Coach Greg. Peace.